हाँ, तो वो भी डायमेंशन पे हो जाएगा। विलेज स्टडीज, सो what is village? Is village a social system? Is it a social system? Have you heard the concept of little republics? Charles Metcalfe. That village is self-sufficient system. Okay, is it a self-sufficient social system? Or it has links like the concept of Lewis, rural cosmopolitanism. What is it? Is it a little republic or it is cosmopolitan? Is it a social system? If yes, what are the characteristics of it? How we can say, what are the points that say that it is a social system? What is system? Before that you should have an idea about system. System is made up of component parts which are arranged, right, according to some, you can say, कोई hierarchy की जरूरत नहीं है, relationship है सभी component parts में, which are arranged in particular relation, and there are some institutions that define and regulate those relationships. ठीक है, so we can say first and foremost let us deal with this part, that it is a social system. ठीक है, then we will say that it is not isolated social system, rather it has network beyond the boundary of a village. ठीक है, so what are the features that you can say that it is a social system? How we can say that it is a social system? So it has, we can say, you can say caste is one dimension, right, and various castes are in relation with one another. You can say they are rooted in with one another in some form of jajmani relations. उनके आपस में जाजमानी relations हैं, ठीक है, okay. Then you can say village is a kind of all villages, they are kind of kins, ठीक है. So there is joint family and many villages, they are, you can say, one or other kind of extended families they live, and they are linked together again with some kind of jajmani relations. अलग अलग कास्ट की joint families वहाँ पे हैं, right, and they have their own unique kinship network, in which they are bound. ठीक है, एक फैमिली दूसरी फैमिली को हेल्प करती है किसी भी जरूरत में आता है तो, ठीक है, ठीक है. दे हैव देयर ओन, वी कैन से, विलेज के अंदर जो प्रोडक्शन होता है दैट इज, दे हैव देयर ओन, यू कैन से, इकोनॉमिक सेटअप, इकोनॉमिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, that can be characterized by, देसाई कहते हैं कि that can be characterized by, you can say, landlord, farmers, peasants and laborers. ठीक है, that is also there. System की बात करें ना, because system is a whole, right? That includes social organization, that includes economic organization, that includes political organization. So they have their own political organization, clan panchayats, isn't it? They have, you can say khaps or clan panchayats can be there, traditional panchayats. Okay. Then almost every village have their own folk deity also, village deity, folk deity भी उसी के around worships वगैरह होती हैं, right? Okay, so these things basically describe that village is a kind of social system. ठीक है, village is a kind of social system. Then let us exaggerate this statement. Is this an isolated social system, or you can categorize it as a little republic? It is a social system, but it is not little republic what Charles Metcalfe have described, right? Because one village have embedded deep kinship links with many villages, right? Villages have links with the market forces also, right? Economic links with the market, okay, from where they buy the seeds and they sell their seeds. They have links, kinship links, marriage links with neighboring villages. ठीक है, you can say even political organization, 84 village khap and all these things are there. So there are khaps beyond the village boundary also. ठीक है, so आप इन सब चीज़ों पे you can refute that. Is it clear? So it is not an isolated social system. Yes, it can be termed as a system, but it is an interlinked, inter-embedded social system, not an isolated social system. Yes, please. What is the question? ठीक है, ये चीज़ हो जाएगा, ये वाला क्वेश्चन. आई एम नॉट टेकिंग द सिंपल थिंग्स बिकॉज आई नो दैट यू गाइज कैन डू. Okay, when we talk about tribe caste continuum, हाँ तो आ सकता है.
सोशल कंट्रोल के पर्सपेक्टिव में लिखा था कैसे?
I will show me the question again. ठीक है, then I will talk. I will talk about that later. ठीक है, tribe caste continuum. Tribe caste continuum. So in this tribe caste continuum, you know that what is it? This concept was given by Bailey, है ना? F.G. Bailey was studying the Bisipara village. Okay, what he says that tribe and caste, they are not two isolated or you can say fragmented entities, right? There is no watertight compartmentalization between the two. Rather, both are in a continuum. Shares of, you can say, tribe may share some traits of caste and caste may share some traits of tribe, because both are you can say interacting with each other, right? How they are interacting? So basically, what are the processes involved in tribe caste continuum? How they are interacting? So tribes are adopting the traits of caste. You can say Hinduization is one process. If they ask you what are the various processes or agents, forces that act that supports tribe caste continuum. So it can be Hinduization, it can be Sanskritization, it can be parochialization and urbanization. अर्बनाइजेशन नहीं, यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन, अर्बनाइजेशन गलत बोल दिया, ठीक है। हिंदुआइजेशन, संस्कृताइजेशन, यूनिवर्सलाइजेशन एंड हाँ parochialization, we can say tribalization also. You can think about some case studies, okay, like you can give the study of Rajputization of Gonds by Surjit Sinha, okay. You can talk about Bhumij, you can talk about the study of N.K. Bose, Hindu modes of tribal absorption.